Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you the syllabus of the BCom of Gulbarga University, Kalburgi. As per the CBCS scheme, the BCom syllabus is effect from 2018-19. In the first semester of the BCom course, you will be having the two languages. AECC 1A is the paper code, which is for Kannada or any other regional languages like Hindi or Urdu. It is for 100 marks and 80 external and 20 internal, and it has 3 credits. Similarly, AECC 1B of English 1 for 100 marks, 3 credits. AECC 1C is the paper code of Indian Constitution. It is for 50 marks for the external and 10 internal marks, and credit will be 2. And we have other 3 subjects: DSC 1, DSC 2 and DSC 3. Okay, so it is a discipline specific course subject. In discipline specific course subject, first one is the financial accounting 1 for 100 marks, and it has 4 credits. And DSC 2, principle of marketing of 100 marks, and it has 4 credits. And in the last column you can see the examination hours also given. So which paper is having how much hours of examination? 3 for both the languages, 2 for the Indian Constitution, and 3 hours for DSC 1, 2, 3 subjects of financial accounting 1, principle of marketing, and also the business economics. And business economic is for 3 hours. Okay, 100 marks examination, 80 external and 20 internal, and 4 credits. So total credits for the first semester is 20 and total marks is 550. Similarly, in the second semester, AECC 2A Kannada or Hindi, AECC 2B English 2, and AECC 2C, which is environmental studies for 50 marks. Okay, 2 hours of examination and 2 credits will be there. Similarly, discipline specific course subject 4, which is financial accounting 2, and DSC 5 is principle of marketing, DSC 6 is industrial economics, and all these 3 for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and you will be having 4 credits. So total credits is 20 credits for second semester, and total marks of second semester is 550 marks. Third semester, AECC 3A Kannada Hindi, AECC 3B English 3, AECC 3C, that is disaster management for 50 marks for the external and 10 internals. And here in the third semester you will be having SEC, skill enhancement course subject, that is quantitative technique for business 1 for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internals. Similarly, DSC 7 is corporate accounting, DSC 8 is human resource management, DSC 9 is a small business management subject, all for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internals, and will be having 4 credit, except the skill enhancement course 1, that is quantitative technique for business 1, is having 3 credit. So total 23 credit for the third semester and 650 marks. Fourth semester, AECC 4A Kannada or Hindi, AECC 4B, that is English 4, and skill enhancement course subject number 2, that is quantitative technique for business 2 for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal, and credit is 3. And next is DSC 10 corporate accounting 2, DSC 11 corporate administration, DSC 12 Indian banking, all for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal. So total credit will be 21 and the total marks will be 600 for the fourth semester. Coming to the fifth semester, in the fifth semester we have SEC3, that is banking operation and insurance, for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal and 4 credits. And DSC 13 management accounting, DSC 14 auditing subject, DSC 15 is business environment subject, DSC 16 is a business law, and DSE 1, that is elective, discipline specific elective subject. DSE means DSE 1 elective and DSE 2 elective. So you will be given the elective subjects. So based on elective subject, you may choose any one elective in DSC 1 and in DSC 2 also you can choose any one. So you need to study. So taxation, accounting, marketings are there. So which subject you want, so you may choose any one and you can study those subjects for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internals, and these will be having 5 credits, so elective subjects. So total 30 credit for 5th semester and 700 marks examination will be conducted. Similarly, in the 6th semester also we have skill enhancement course subject 4, that is computer application for business and e-commerce, for 100 marks, 4 credits. And DSC 17 financial management, DSC 18 Indian financial system, DSC 19 international trade, and DSC 20 goods services tax, that is GST, for 100 marks, 80 external and 20 internal, and you will be having 4 credits. And when it comes to elective disciplines, specific elective subjects, okay, so in these subjects you may choose again the elective subject as chosen in the 5th semester. You can go for auditing, accounting, marketing. So it is for 100 marks, 80 external, 20 internal, and will be having 5 credit. So total credits are 30 credit and 700 marks of examination. So total 1 to 6 semester you will be having 3750 marks and total 144 credit will be awarded. And those who participates 2 years of NCC or NSS and Scouts and Guides, they will be given 2 extra credits. So this is all about the BCom syllabus of the Gulbarga University, Gulbarga. So kindly like, share and subscribe my channel.